Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a business CD with Twoguysfinance. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to Twoguysfinance's website, and then once you're there, you're gonna click on business CDs. Next, you're going to need to review the different business CD options that are available on Twoguysfinance, and then choose the one that best suits your business needs. And then once you find it, just click apply now, and you're going to be required to fill out the online application form. Now with the form, you're going to need to provide required documentations, business financial documents, as well as tax return documents. Now once all that is provided, just gotta review and agree to the business CD's terms and conditions. Now once you submit that, Twoguysfinance is going to review, and you're going to receive a business CD decision. And if your business CD request is approved, you're going to need to review and sign the account documents. And once that's done, just go ahead and fund your business CD and start earning interest immediately. So don't forget, you can use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform or the mobile app to manage your business CDs in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a business CD with Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.